Here's some sushi. Hello, 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 and welcome back to Now with Nita. And today I'm gonna do a sushi mukbang. Let me turn this volume off because I'm watching another YouTuber mukbang her food. Just got back from the doctor's office, well, immediate care with my daughter. She wasn't feeling too well, and I had to pick her up from school, so this is mid-Friday for me. It's about 5 o'clock. What time is it, Pudding? Yeah, I think it's about 5 o'clock. And, yeah. This is how my sushi looks. I just went to Kroger's and got some sushi. It looks yum, yum, delicious. And, with my sushi, I'm just going to have some Essence C with some water. Yeah, because it's cooled off here, and you know you gotta drink some of it down to get the package in there and to shake the water up. So let me get this in here. I like these little bitty water bottles. It's a doggone net in here. Why? I just let the net in, taking the dog out to use the restroom. I'm like, oh, they be busy, boy. These nets ain't no joke. I saw a net somewhere. Where did I see a net at? Earlier today. Somewhere I was, but we ain't sharing none of this sushi with him. No, sorry, Bob. I'll check this in a minute. Let me say my prayers so we can get it in. Dear Lord, thank you for the food we're about to receive. Nourish our body. Christ our Savior. Amen. I'm so excited. But you know what? Usually the sushi has like a little wasabi paste on it. And there's no wasabi paste today. Look at me playing like I know what I'm doing. The dog, he's coming back like, give me some. You ain't getting none of this, Jackers. How y'all doing today? I'm going to eat the ugly one first because it's already falling apart. This must have been the end of the sushi roll. I forgot to tell you what kind it was. California roll. I was pretty sure it was a California roll, but I'm so hungry and distracted, I could be wrong. Here go the wasabi, the sesame seed. And as usual, I never get any napkins. I was thinking it was unusual for it not to have any wasabi paste in here, but I forgot I just made the whole thing slide over here. So we got the little greenery, the little scenery, the greenery scenery, and it got the wasabi on there. Wasabi is so hot. But you know what? It's like, it's so hot, but you gotta eat it. Woo! I feel in my sinuses already. I remember they dared my daughter to eat a whole thing of wasabi paste. How much did they say it was gonna pay you for that eating that wasabi?
They're just gonna give me tea.
They're just gonna give you tea. I hope it was at least bubble tea.
No.
No?
It was before we knew about bubble tea.
Ain't no way I would be eating no whole thing of wasabi paste for no tea. She ate it. It wasn't pretty. Then they called me on the phone. I'm like, Mama, she dared her to do it and she did it. That's how siblings are. They're gonna try to sneak up on me. That I'm watching that for you. You can get none of this sushi. Have y'all siblings ever try to sneak and get y'all to do something? No, you ain't supposed to be doing. I know mine did. Woo! I'm gonna be in trouble. As Bernie Mac would say. Because my grandson said, you better not do no mukbangs without me. He liked the response that he got from his mukbang, and he just likes to be in front of the camera. He wants us to be YouTube millionaires, but I be telling him we just be doing this for fun. Like, do we want to make money? Yeah, who don't want to make money? But, yep. And of course, I want to say thank you for all the love y'all showed him on his breakfast mukbang. Thank you so much. It's well appreciated. Yes, that sushi is so good. I like these little mini waters because when people come and get water, they don't waste all the water because it's only 8 ounces. And it don't seem like 8 ounces is in this little bitty bottle, but it is. Well, at least I'm going to take that word for it. But anyway, yeah. When they come and get these little bitty, well, I know when I got a little bottle, I already drank half the bottle already. So I figured other people won't waste them if it's little waters. Because, you know, if you got the 16.9, I think, ounce waters, they drink half the water and leave it sitting somewhere. And then, you know, if you leave it sitting somewhere, everybody got a water bottle. Who knows whose water bottle it is? I'm running out of wasabi. Luckily, I only got one sushi roll left. Whoo. Opening up my sinuses. I think my kids associate going to the doctor with going out to eat because I always, after they have an appointment, I always took them out for a treat. First, I think it was like McDonald's. Then we moved up to Chick-fil-A. Then they moved up to sushi. No telling where they might end up. CPK, Olive Garden. What's the other one? Cheesecake Factory. I guess depends on the severity of the doctor's appointment. That is not funny, but at least we made it through it. Survived it. But yeah. What was I going to tell y'all? Oh, have y'all been having trouble uploading y'all videos? I've been trying to upload a video for 2 days. But I'm like, I don't know if YouTube's like, child, we don't know what you're trying to do, because I be uploading vlogs, her videos, and mukbangs. They're like, can you make up your mind? Anyway. Woo. That wasabi in the back of my throat. Clear my nose straight up. This was exactly what I needed. And the emergency. This ain't even emergency. This is urgency from Aldi. I sent the kids to the store when I was sick. I said, can you bring me back some emergency? But I gave them a grocery list for Aldi, and they found this at Aldi. But it works. Okay, guys. Excuse me. I ain't getting no good burping. Got some tiny burps. I feel good. I'm not stuffed. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And the doggone net. He crazy. I'm going to turn on this bug zapper. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys stay safe and blessed and just enjoy yourself. And whenever this video comes to you, I hope you have a joyous day. Stay safe out there, please. Peace.